Okay, as most of you know, we take a date night every week when Dennis is off. So this week we went to a themed restaurant called Game Theory, and I was excited to go. The whole concept of the restaurant is they have board games, and you can also have delicious treats, order from the menu. It's great for families, date nights, girl dates, brunch. So yeah, we went on a Sunday and this was the brunch menu. Dennis got pancakes. He just got a stack of pancakes, and I got the bruschetta avocado toast. It was pretty good. Dennis didn't love the pancakes. They were a little hard for him. So we made a pact: when we do eat out, we will just do dessert. And these are all the board games that they have. There is a $2.50 per person fee for the board games. Then we went and had a snack at a low sugar bakery. It's called Doed Up. All of these places are located in Fort Worth. They do have seating, but there were people there, so I didn't want to get them in my frame. They had a variety of donuts, and what it is, it's low sugar, and they add protein to each donut. Now, they look absolutely beautiful, and they tasted absolutely beautiful. I mean, absolutely delicious. Sorry. I got pistachio and cinnamon roll. Dennis got the salted caramel, and I forgot the other one he got. These are the prices. A little expensive, but again, it's low sugar and they add the protein. Next door was a place called Lace Connection for all you sneakerheads. I got a little view of all the sneakers that they do have there. They had some vintage t-shirts, hip hop and sports t-shirts, some unique hats. We didn't purchase anything, but I thought it was a good find for the neighborhood. Yeah, you could check it out. They had all kind of memorabilia. This was our ride home. I absolutely love riding through Fort Worth. So if you want to check out any of those places, let me know how it goes.